guys, welcome back to Breezy's Puffs. Today I'm going to be doing a protective style featuring Henna Sooq. Henna Sooq is a woman-owned hair care line which is based off of henna hair color and Ayurvedic hair care as well. So it basically allows people to have a DIY hair regimen. The specific products I'm going to be using today are included in the protective hair care bundle. That's the box I showed you guys before, and I'm going to show you the products that are in this bundle right now. So the first product in the protective style bundle is the organic Amla Oil, and this oil is supposed to easily absorb into the hair and also moisturize the hair. It penetrates the scalp and promotes hair growth. The second product in the protective style bundle is the sweet mimosa butter. This product is supposed to be used as a hair pomade to style hair, protect the hairline against herbal hair dyes, and it acts as a deep, rich moisturizer. The last product is the Goddess Hair Finishing Shine and Moisture Spray. It's supposed to add shine and moisture to the hair strands. It's infused with Moroccan argan and prickly pear oils, and it's supposed to leave your hair smelling absolutely divine. This style I'm going to be doing today is kind of, I don't want to call them mini twists because they're not going to be super small. I'm going to call them medium twists. I'm going to be doing the rubber band method. So I'm actually just going to take some rubber bands, put them in like a little container or a little cap if you have one. So it looks like this. And I'm actually going to take some of the Amla oil and pour that over my rubber bands. And what this does is it basically makes it so that the rubber bands don't rip out your hair. It gives the rubber bands a nice slip, and it's just a lot better for your hair. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is part my hair into rows, and it's gonna be kind of hard to do that on camera. I'm gonna show you guys how I part the first row, and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera so that my lines are actually straight. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my spray bottle. I'm just gonna wet my hair to loosen it up a bit. And I'm going to part my first row using a rat tail comb with a metal tail. And I'm not doing these super small, so I'm kind of just using my fingers to guide me. If you see any product, it's probably just some leftover conditioner I didn't completely get out, so yeah. So I tried to make that as straight as possible. If it's not fully straight, do not come for me. Okay, I'm doing this without a mirror, and yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to make my columns. I don't know, y'all will see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna take my rubber bands now. Before I actually do my squares, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my hair with the organic Amla Oil. I'm going to take a detangler brush to really work that through my strands. Starting at the tips first, then I will make my way up. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my squares. Again, don't worry about how the back looks. At least I'm not worrying about how the back looks just because the twists are gonna be covering it. So, alright, so once I have one section kind of parted out of the way, I'm going to take the sweet mimosa butter and I'm going to rub that into my fingers, and I'm actually going to put that around my roots. Then once I do that, I am going to work it down the rest of my hair because I really want this to be super neat. I don't want a ton of flyaways, and I will add more to the ends as I actually add the hair. But yeah, it also adds a lot of slip as well. You guys can see how well I'm actually able to detangle this section. What I like to do is kind of twist it up like this. Then I'm going to take one of my rubber bands that has been soaked in the Amla oil. And actually I want to make sure that this is in the middle of the square. Twist it up kind of like so. And then I'm going to put my rubber band on. You don't want to make it super tight, especially at the nape of your neck because it'll be very uncomfortable. And you don't have to make it super tight because the hair is gonna tighten it up for you. So you can go ahead and split the hair into 2 pieces and just pull it slightly. Again, you don't want it super, tight, trust me. So now I have one section done, and I'm basically gonna do this on my entire head, and then I'm gonna add the hair. I just find that it's easier to do it that way. You're worrying about one thing at once, so yeah. All right guys, so I finished doing all of my sections. They ended up getting smaller towards the top, which I guess is a good thing because it'll help fill in any spaces. But yeah, so I just took the hair out of the pack. This is what it looks like. And the color I got it in, if you're wondering, is a 2T1B/30. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like an ombre. And it kind of comes already sectioned for you. So I'm just gonna pull one of the sections off. And I'm basically just gonna fold it in half and then start twisting. So I'm gonna start in the front just so that it's easier to show you guys the technique that I'm gonna be doing. All right, so I'm gonna take one section and I'm going to basically cover the rubber band once, then I'm gonna twist it underneath like so. Then I'm going to split my actual hair, and then I'm going to rotate these 2 pieces together. If this is kind of confusing, I have a video on how I do this already. I'll put it up in the cards. And then I'm gonna rotate the other side as well. So you wanna rotate one side clockwise and one side counterclockwise. And then you're just gonna wanna start twisting like so. Then once you get towards the bottom of your hair, I'm going to take some more of my sweet mimosa butter to kind of calm the frizziness of my hair down, and to also seal the moisture into my ends, because that is how we're going to have length retention. And I'm going to continue twisting down until I get to the end of the hair. And it's super simple, super easy. I'm not twisting super tight either. I only twist it kind of tight up at the top just to get the twist going. Once I get to the end, I just kind of borrow and just keep twisting as far as I can go. You won't need to dip this into hot water or anything to seal it because the hair is so kinky, which I love. And then once I get to the end, just like if it was my natural hair, I'm just going to kind of do a little finger coil, and we are done. That looks awesome. I love it. So I'm gonna basically continue this on the rest of my head. And yeah, you can see the rubber band a little bit. I don't really mind. If you care, then you can do a crochet method. You can look that up on YouTube. There's a crochet method. I'm not gonna mess with the crochet method right now just cause I don't want to. You could also start off by braiding, doing a braid and then twisting, but like I said, I just want to do it like this. I feel like it's a lot easier. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do again one more time, and I will kind of put this part in slow motion. All right, so that is what it's looking like. That is gonna be my technique. I will come back when I finish with my entire head. Yes. This look is everything, guys. The ease of finishing these twists using Henna Sooq's products is just amazing. And the great thing about it is that I feel like my hair is super protected in these twists using all of these like oil-based Ayurvedic products. I feel like my hair is gonna be super protected, and that when I take it out of these twists, I'm not gonna have super dry hair that's like breaking off and all that, because my hair is protected using these products. So this is what it is looking like. If you guys want to see a different part. So what I'm going to do to finish off these twists is I'm going to use the Goddess Hair Finishing Shine and Moisture Spray, and I'm basically going to put this on the twists along the length of my hair and my actual scalp. So I'm going to do that now. I'm also just gonna put a little bit of the Amla Oil in my actual parts as well. And just massage that into my scalp without messing up my twists. I use a little bit of edge control right on my edges, just a little bit, and I put some oil on top of that too, just to prevent any flaking. But yeah, guys. So if you're planning on doing a protective style anytime soon and you actually really want to protect your hair underneath using the right products, I would definitely check out Henna Sooq. The website will be down below. The bundle, the protective style bundle, sells for $38, but you can actually get it for around $30 if you use my code Breezy20. So 20% off would be around $30.40. So this code is only active until April 30th, 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So you want to get this bundle ASAP. Again, my code is Breezy20. You can buy the bundle for $38 or you can buy it for $30 and change. It's up to you. Again, it's only going to be active until April 30th, 2021, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the website again will be down below. It's like hennasooq.com, but I'll actually put a link to the protective style bundle down there as well. And last but not least, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you are subscribed, amazing. If you're not, it would be awesome if you click that subscription button down below. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Leave a comment down below on what you think about this protective style. What do you feel about the color? What do you think about the products? Let me know how you feel. Make sure you leave a like as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.